Okay. Yeah. Alright, yeah. Alright, load it up. How many do we have?
Over 360.
And how much is the gun?
500?
So we still need more.
No, we don't. We have enough. It's just a matter of getting that point.
Here.
Yeah, Mag Monkey's Airsoft. We
I have a card.
What?
I have a card.
A card? Oh, you have a business card. Okay.
Who? Should I give it to them?
Yeah, yeah.
Here.
Oh, you hold it from the bottom.
Or you can take
Oh,
that.
thank you. Have
Yep.
a good one. You too.
How much do they buy?
A lot. Oh, we're making quesadillas. What? Yep.
Oh, Drew, this is yours. Here's
Combo
yours.
is 14 chips.
Can you holster that pistol?
I'm gonna put your
Single
grenade.
quesadilla is 5. What?
I'm putting your grenade in there.
Okay. Yeah, single quesadilla is 5. A combo is 14.
For chips too?
Chips are 5.
Oh, no, I meant like the chips, or you cash.
No, no cash. Just
Okay.
chips. 5 chips.
Yeah, I'll take a quesadilla combo.
You want a quesadilla combo?
Yeah.
Okay.
How
Go ahead and grab a
much-
chips
How
and a
many
drink.
chips is that?
That's 14.
What kind of chips would you like?
We got the chips back here. We got Fritos, Doritos, Cheetos,
classic, right?
Lay's.
Reds are 5.
Yep.
Are you okay with spicy cheese?
Yeah,
Okay.
of course.
You want chips on it? So I can upgrade you for another 4. I can do
Okay.
like chips on it.
Alright, let me get your change real quick.
No, I'll just do that.
Okay.
Alright, thank you.
And then what kind of chips would you like?
I'll go with like the those sour cream and onions I spiced. Excellent.
Oh, it's on. That's why I'm smelling it.
This is like a life-changing experience.
And
Few
then-
quesadillas.
What drink did he get?
2 quesadillas? You want a combo? 14 chips.
Ah,
Did you give us the 14?
yeah.
Okay, you gave it?
You can
Okay.
keep the change on.
Thank you.
I think that might be our last
Get him a one.
quesadilla.
Yeah.
You want to upgrade
Somebody to swap out with Greg, please.
We're getting 2 total, so 1 for him, 1 for him.
Yeah.
Or you want 2 and he wants 1?
No, I'm just getting one meal, yeah.
Here you go, my good man. Keep the change.
We're currently at the shop with Drake.
Yeah, I'm around.
Hell yeah, dude.
What kind of chips do you want on it? Doritos or Cheetos?
Doritos.
Let's see. Look, you can get whatever you want on it, it's just not the best.
I just feel like Doritos is the way to do it.
Oh yeah. Taco Bell, fucking, they figured it out a long time ago. We tried last year, but people just kept rating. Nobody rated us this year.
I feel like that is
A lot better.
Does anyone know where the shotgun is currently?
It should be back at the camp. Should be in here.
What?
Until that one gets.
Nobody's there after this.
I haven't seen
They're
it.
not gonna sell the other one until.
I haven't seen the shotgun.
It's in here. Oh wait, who took it? No, you
I took it out, but as soon as we got attacked, I set it down. I know, I gave it to Kevin.
Don't ask him.
Kevin, do you know where the shotgun is?
What?
You know where the shotgun is?
I can paint or
Oh, over here.
Here.
Alright, perfect. Yep.
the whole logo. I could probably paint the whole logo.
Oh, you wanted sour cream and onion, right? Okay, what do you want?
I don't know, but Paul's talking to him now. Don't group up here. Spread out.
Anything but
I was going to ask you, are we going to link up with...
Paul, get over here.
Oh, dude, that thing's so cool.
It's the team
I
gun.
haven't shot it yet.
It's the team gun.
Shoot the barrel over here.
Yeah.
Dude, I know. That shoot the 3, right?
Yeah.
Damn, dude. Oh, that is cool. Oh, dude.
Yeah.
And it's like they're not fast. You see them go, whoo.
Yeah. It's really good at Airsoft Arena. It's not that great outdoors.
Right.
It's more just pure intimidation.
So you put that, you load it. How? Okay. You put one in.
These hold 30.
Those hold 30, so it's 10
shots.
shots. Okay.
Or you can make it single shot.
Right. Flipping a switch or something like that.
Yeah, I don't know how.
Okay.
I just remember Tony told me that a
That's
while
cool.
ago. I don't usually ever use this. The trigger pull is pretty hard.
I was thinking of getting the Double Eagle one. It's like $40, and everybody says it's a great one for. Ooh, shit.
Yeah, this is my baby though. This thing's accurate and you can shoot fast.
Damn, it's got a nice kick.
Yeah, the hop is pretty low in it too now. Yeah, those are also decent.
Maybe they're just waiting for their friends to order some food, huh?
Yeah. I don't like it when everyone groups up outside though.
Yeah, me neither.
What was it?
Church has got upgrades, I see.
Yeah! We're out of cheese. Yeah, one more piece of meat.
Still got snacks and drinks though. Chips,
What we run out of?
Good to know.
Rice Krispie treats.
What did we run out of?
Cheese.
Oh, yeah.
Well, I mean, yeah, we can do it.
We ran out of cheese.
Yeah, we're out of cheese.
I got one Doritos quesadilla.
One Dorito quesadilla.
I got another one.
Is that a Dorito one or is that a straight up one? Dorito quesadilla.
Like I said, those are pretty bomb.
They apparently are. Shit, man. Okay, so we're just gonna buy a big ass bag of Doritos next year and a buttload of cheese because that was our weak point this year with the cheese. I would not have thought that would have been the case.
Yeah, same here. I didn't think there'd be this many people.
Oh, I thought there was. I thought you guys
Well, no.
thought this was doing
See,
great.
I thought this was maybe a 300-person event
No,
tops,
it's 400 plus.
and not each person would even want one, let alone come back for second. So I thought 3 bags of cheese would be more than enough.
Putting the grill in the front.
Yeah, this was a good ass idea. So next year we do that.
Yeah.
What was a good ass idea?
Putting the table right up front where people could see.
Yeah, people
Next
aren't
year
afraid.
we'll get a second table going. We can do like guns and gear over there. All right, hey, so the group that's going out, do you guys want to link up with Ray or no?
Who's Ray?
We're in the base. We have like 10 other guys with us right now.
So we're meeting up. Do you guys want to do that same thing you guys were doing before, or we meet up and try to do that? Yeah. Your name is Ray. I'm saying here.
Elmo and Cookie Monster are so close to that gun guy, maybe they can keep tabs on if somebody brings that coin.
That's a fair point.
and
yes.
then let us know and
Yes.
we'll run over there.
And then you
quick
guys
as
got
shit.
comms with me, and we'll fucking break
Yeah,
out and we'll
yeah.
do that. We'll
Okay.
close up shop.
I mean, we could almost just hide over there with the coin.
Well, we gotta wait for that fucking coin to
Well,
come.
we could just hang out there with the coin.
Well, if we want somebody to babysit over there, yeah.
I can babysit with Kevin. We can have the coins with us.
Since the Raider thing, I mean, you gotta find the
It's
objective.
gonna be you have to find the right objective,
And then
find
you
the
got-
raider,
Yeah,
kill
I'm
the
gonna go
raider.
outside.
It's gonna be a little bit.
worth it. They're not super expensive.
No, they're not. They're like $18.
Yeah, so worth it.
You want a gun?
What?
Do you want a gun?
I have two.
Oh.
Tobin.
Yeah, I know. Whose Glock is this? Paul?
It's Paul's.
Place where we were at before, by Fatco? Okay. Yeah, don't go over there because they get
I don't know where Paul went. So.
Oh, you got the last one? Alright,
I haven't even used one.
dude, bro, yeah. Stop wasting ammo.
My bad.
Huh?
We have the No, I did. What you guys got shown?
There's a bunch in here.
Wait, so who's staying and who's coming?
Oh, I know. The problem is we can't buy that fucking rifle until the